Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times over the past few days, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, once again, updates need to be made as the craziness continues. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of those lines. Sure, those levels pertain, but from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. Taking a step back, though, first off, and just kind of mapping out a very near-term level. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So big picture-wise, yes, ideally speaking, if the price could stay up above this $85 mark, which so far so good, that's exactly what's happened. So a great example there of a resistance trend in a sport. That would be great. But from an even bigger point of view, an even bigger perspective, let me shrink up the chart there. It's all about, and continues to be all about, that purple line there, which I've talked about time and time again, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above the $85 mark would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, they don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has been doing, and that is this right here. Just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher lows, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.